In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Android apps crashing. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it can be really annoying whether you're trying to open an app or you're playing something, watching something, anything like that, and all of a sudden these apps are just automatically crashing. Now, it's very easy to go ahead and fix this. So what we want to do is swipe down on the top right of our screen, and then you're going to see your control panel. Then go over to the settings wheel cog icon on the top right again. Now from here, all you want to do is scroll down until you find apps. So as you can see, mine is right here, right under device care. Go ahead and click on it and you're going to see all your apps that are currently installed. So at this point, you just want to go ahead and find the application that's crashing. So let's say for me, let's say I'm playing Fortnite. Let's say Fortnite's crashing all the time. First thing I want to do is go ahead and force stop the application because it might just be bugged out. It's going to say if it may cause some errors, but just ignore it. Go ahead and press OK. Then try and open it again and try and playing on it again. See if that works, and if that still doesn't, come back to this area, scroll down, and you're going to see storage as one of the options. Go ahead and click on that. Then you're going to see clear data and clear cache as two of the options. So all you want to do is go ahead and click on the clear cache button, and as you can see, the cache is now on 0 bytes, and that's going to fix any application. Just do that with any application that's messing up, and that's going to fix it entirely. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.